Yeah, hey Matt, this is Neil. I wanted to reach out to you personally. I don't think our team has helped you guys yet. Can I shoot you an email to what we're doing here as far as Produce Logistics so you can take a look when you have some time? Sure. What's your email, right? Even if you're looking at their email, make sure they verify because sometimes emails change, right? Plus, by them speaking the email, they're thus giving you permission. There's going to be less animosity with receiving the email. Now you could call them even today and go, hey, I was thinking of, you're not going to reference the email. Okay, this is not third grade. We're not going to give the check to see if they did their homework. I don't give a rat's ass if they did their homework or not. You're going to say, hey, was thinking about you this morning. You know, there's something that every produce manager is having to deal with right now. Nobody's talking about it. I just want to make sure you are aware of it. And then go into your insight. In terms of shipping produce, people are normally using their typical shippers, and what's happening is the perishability, especially as we make a stronger push to organic, as we know those products tend to have a shorter shelf life and are less hardy in terms of temperature, in terms of the shipping, causing a lot of the organic side of the shipment, which is where the higher profits are, to even show up perished. How are you guys dealing with that at Kroger, right? And we're having a good conversation then. You could be like, that insight has nothing to do with my job. Find one that does, right? Find a topic that's helpful for them, whether they do business with you or not. Here's what you need to remember, and every salesperson needs to remember this. Those companies called, Chris Truder, cover your damn ears. Cover your ears, Chris, I can see you. Okay, good. Chris's ears are, cover your ears, Chris. Chris's ears are covered. Chris charges $1 gajillion for consulting. You guys know a lot of really valuable stuff too, and you don't have to charge the rates that Chris charges, right? So when you do hit gatekeepers, right? Hey, we're getting a lot of calls on this, we're good. I totally get it. Hey, I just wanted to reach out from a senior level. There's a couple things I just wanted to give insights to the produce manager. It has absolutely nothing. It's helpful to them whether you guys do business with us or not. It is my job to help you guys whether you're a client or not. And there's something going on right now that is affecting them that I just wanted to make sure they're aware of, right? I just wanted to raise my hand, make sure that they're aware of it. This is not a sales call. You're going to find that they're going to be a lot more. Now, make good on that. Don't be a jerk. Then don't get through to them and be like, hey, Derek, if I could have 15 minutes of your time, would like to see if we can lower your costs, right? Because now your reputation's ruined. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm going to give you $300 right here, right now, to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you want to double, triple, quadruple your closing right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University mini masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm going to cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.